Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, today I have a Google Pixel 7 Pro. So my display is not working. So today I'm gonna replace the display. The back glass also crack as well. So first of all I have to change the display. Now I'm gonna disassemble this phone. Google Pixel 7 Pro we can disassemble from display, I guess. First we have to remove the display, so let's see. Actually this display also like as a iPhone display, it's locked there and gum also there. So we can use first heat, a little bit heat we can use on the corner. After use heat we have to use this suction cup and like opener. It's easy to remove. So like this way you can easily remove the display. Look as well, there is gum. So this way we have to open, and there is one safety shield, so we have to remove this shield. Now I can remove display as well. So this is a broken display. Here is the new display. So I'm gonna install new display. So we have to change that fingerprint sensor also. So first just I'm gonna test this display whether it works or not, because before install display we should test as well. So just I'm gonna show you display is working as well. Like you can check it's working well. So on new display I have to remove this extra paper. And the thing, from old display we have to remove the fingerprint sensor like this way. So from old display we have to remove this camera safety shield also. Here is the new display. Now I'm gonna install display. Here is some display is working as well, so we can fix. So here is lock, so be carefully, we have to press and lock the screen as well. Like this way we can check. So our screen is fixed, there is no gap even. So phone is ready.